Breaststroke. Ha? Okay, go down.
Malakas.
Bilisan ang pin. Bilisan na. Go down muna. Wait lang, sorry. Remind ko lang ha. Breaststroke swing, hindi allow ang butterfly kick. Okay? Pwede yung starting, pwede kayong mag one kick ng dog kick, pero huwag mo matadong pahalata. Okay? Better na look.
Nice one.
Better na avoid ang butterfly kick sa breaststroke.
Mga anak natin Pilipino. Hindi marunong Tagalog.
Okay? Especially sa breaststroke swing. Clear everyone? Okay. Take your mark. Up.
Uy!
Twenty-four, 25, 30. No!
Hila pa.
What's my time?
30. 6 seconds off your attention.
Ini-easy ni Tim eh.
What's my time?
24. 25. You 30. Ano ka na, team? Competing mindset na.
Oo nga. Sorry, I just did evil.
Okay, pull hard na. Pull hard. Pull hard and fast, okay? I'll give you
See how is the proper starting for breaststroke? They didn't do that.
okay, I'll reward you if you do your best.
Kimo?
Next one, Joey, 31.
How do you do that? How do you know? What did you do?
Huwag ka nang tumingin.
And then we go like,
39.
Don't look. Kasi merong mga officials. May officials, may tumitingin.
yeah, we learned from the truck tracker.
Okay.
So that's how I know it.
Do your best. Alright? Pull hard. Okay?
Ilang seconds to
25.
Ilang seconds?
24, 25, 30. You're 6 seconds off.
I think Timothy relaxed.
It's okay lang kasi nagre-relax ka.
I'm not good at breaststroke.
That's okay. You just, push hard. Pull hard. Okay.
I'm trying to wet that bag. I'm trying to wet mom's bag. Trying to wet mom's bag. It's not working. I only got one drop on mom's
Don't
bag.
do that.
Guys, let's go. We have to go. Arms Let's see, this is the water. You go. And then arms from here. That's not how to do it.
Pull! Pull! 41. 42.
Okay na kayo? Magkasundo na kayo?
41, 42.
Go back.